According to legend, when demons awaken from the darkness and turn the world into a living hell, the goddess of fate will select 6 heroes, and these 6 will be given the power to save the world. Always, it is only 6 that are chosen. And for this reason, they are known as the Braves of the 6 Flowers.
Semifinals will end in 10 minutes.
Welcome, one and all. The Ritual Tournament semifinals will now be held before the great King of Piena and his people. To the west, the stalwart captain of the Royal Guard, Batual Rainhawk of Piena, nation of prosperity's source. To the east, representing the Red Bear Mercenaries, Quatogain of Tommaso, nation of verdant green. Listen well, warriors. This duel is unlike any you have fought before. This match is held before the great King of Piena and the Goddess of Fate, who protects the world and its peace. For honor, you will have a fair fight. The victor will battle Princess Nashitanya, winner of the last tournament. A coward does not have the right to face her. Hit all of your strength against one another to determine which of you is...
Coming through? Excuse me, guys.
Who are you?
My name would be Adlet Meyer, and I am... the strongest man in the whole world!
Who is he?
Listen up, everybody, because we are changing the rules today. It's like this. Both of you will fight me, Adlet, the strongest man in the world.
Your impudence goes too far.
Hey, get rid of this annoying little fool, would ya?
Let the battle begin! Nice, still standing.
What the?
Damn trickster! Huh? Not so fast!
Sorry. That really hurts, doesn't it? Your shoes, well, that's what happens when they're made of cloth. Hey, did you see that? Guess I win the semifinals. My name is Adlet Meyer, the strongest man in the world! You hear that, Goddess of Fate? If you don't choose me to be one of the 6 Braves, you're...
Arrest that man now! You don't feel remotely bad about it, do you? That was a holy tournament you ruined in front of the king. I'll never forgive you for this.
Huh? Perfect, I found you! You're Adlet, right?
And who are you, then?
I saw the way you fought the guards at the tournament grounds. I was so impressed. And now, I'm your biggest fan in the world. Please, let's shake.
Wow, you're a weird maid.
Your heart is pounding, isn't it? Are you uncomfortable talking to girls?
No way! The strongest man in the world can handle anything.
But your face is bright red. I'm so glad I came. I decided that I wanted to learn more about who you are. Can we talk for a little while? Is that okay?
Adlet Meyer, age 18. Nation of the White Lakes. My master's name is Atro Spiker.
He's Atro Spiker?
At 10, I left my homeland and everything I had to go and train with him there. I lived in the mountains for a long time, spending every hour training to defeat the demon god. The fighting technique that he taught me was designed for that purpose, and that purpose alone. I will do whatever it takes to succeed.
That was really interesting. I think I've heard the words "the strongest in the world" enough to last a lifetime.
Because it's an undeniable fact that I am the strongest man in the world.
Remember, you haven't yet beaten Princess Nashitanya, the Saint of Sword.
No, I was hoping she would show up at some point, but I guess not. Oh well, I'm much better than she is anyway.
There are lots of strong people all over the world.
Of course there are, but I know for a fact that there's no fighter out there stronger than I am.
What makes you think that's true?
It's simple. I just know that there's no one else stronger anywhere, and that's all there is to it.
Really? You believe that?
The Goddess of Fate knows it too. Now I just need to make sure that the demon god and the rest of the world learn that.
At least you have a lot of confidence going.
Because it's the truth and nothing but.
I guess that makes sense.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, I guess so.
What did they do about the tournaments?
Oh, well, they decided to go ahead and hold the match again yesterday. Kwato beat Batual by a hair in the semis, and Nashitanya destroyed him in the final round.
Wait, Nashitanya?
Sorry, I should have said the princess.
The old guy was really the better one of the two.
They said his shoulder was injured pretty badly when you threw him.
Yeah, I feel kind of bad about that.
Hey, Adlet, why is it you think that you're the strongest in the entire world?
Because that is the simple fact. And if I'm the strongest in the world, I will most definitely be chosen as one of the 6 Braves.
So what you're saying is that you know you'll be one of the Braves of the 6 Flowers?
Oh yeah. Everything I've trained for has been to defeat the demon god.
So you came here to Piana to enter the tournament?
That's right. You know about the Saint of the Single Flower, don't you?
Of course. Every single person in the country learns that story.
A young maid, too?
Oh yes, even a maid. A millennium ago, a terrible demon appeared on this continent. It was called the Demon God, and it quickly began attacking people. Everywhere it went, it would kill, and then split its enormous body, creating new demons called fiends that left nothing but death and destruction behind them. The armies of the Eternal Empire Rohane were all defeated as the attacks continued. The empire was destroyed, the royal family slain, towns and villages burned off the map. Surrounded by the devastation, the people despaired and accepted their fate. Then suddenly, a saint appeared before their eyes. They saw her bearing a blossom, so they called her the Saint of the Single Flower. And when she appeared, there was a prolonged battle. The saint drove the demon god to the continent's west edge, where she at long last defeated him. But upon her return, she said, "The demon god is not dead. Someday it will awaken from its slumber and turn this world into a living hell." And then she prophesied, when the demon god finally awakens, 6 heroes will appear, bearing my power within them. And with that power, they will drive the demon god back into slumber, restoring peace to the world.
To bear the battle's weight, those wishing to be chosen as heroes must prove their might in the temples of the Goddess of Fate, built by the Saint of the Single Flower. After proving their strength and honor by their victories, a special mark of 6 flower petals will appear on their bodies.
And so, because of that, the people call them the Braves of the 6 Flowers. 700 years ago, they came. That was the first time in history that the 6 Braves came to us. The Hero King Volmer, the Bow Saint Bana, the Fire Saint Pulka, the Ice Saint Sunimur, the Sun Saint Emi, and the nameless warrior Anji. Then the Demon King Zofrare appeared at the demon god's side. At long last, the heroes succeeded in delaying Zofrare and defeating the demon god. And then, 300 years ago, the 6 Braves appeared again, rising to challenge the demon god. The Blade Saint Mari, the Time Saint Hayuha, the Lightning Saint Melrania, the Sword Saint Bodol, the Wind Saint Roy, and the Salt Saint Manyakam. Though some of their number were lost in battle, they were successful in sealing the demon god in.
It's been 300 years since their last revival. And in the last 10 years, many fiends have come out of hiding and appeared on the continent.
A crack has appeared in the prophecy jewel, and the crystal that tells of demons is cloudy. I believe the demon god will likely revive within a year.
And that means it won't be long at all before I'm chosen to be one of the 6 Braves. Then I'll put the demon god in his place.
Do you know the knight Matora Wichita of the Yellow Fruits country?
Yeah, in name at least. He's a young genius knight. He's the best in the world with a bow.
Fudelka of the Golden Sands, and Dasure, the Saint of Ice.
Something happened to them?
They were killed.
Fiends?
Probably.
They're killing potential Braves before the demon god's revival. But that's not possible. There's no way the fiends should have been able to kill them that easily.
You should stay here and rest until your wounds heal. This prison's heavily guarded, so don't get any ideas.
Oh, I'm sure it is if even a maid can sneak in.
I'm sorry. I really should go before they get mad. Well, they're sure to be pretty mad at me anyway, but they could be even madder.
If you see the princess, give her a message. You're sure to be chosen as one of the 6 Braves. I look forward to the day we fight together side by side, okay? Hey, what's the matter?
Nothing, so don't worry. I'll tell her.
Whatever.
You're strong, but your brains are really not there.
Something's killing the Braves. Apples?
Adlet Meyer, you are sentenced to imprisonment. The length is indefinite.
Am I supposed to protect myself with this thing? Maybe it's time to escape now. What do I think?
That voice!
Danger on the way!
Look at the sky!
Is it the sun rising?
No, look there! It's coming from the direction of Gwenfire!
And the land of howling demons. This is not at all good.
Your Highness!
The demon god is coming.
The crest of 6 flowers? No. It's small, so what gives? Probably just seeing things. Yep. Yeah. Hey, you! Anyone here? Listen, I'm one of the Braves of the 6 Flowers!
Highness, why are you here?
Batawal, I'm in a hurry. Don't bother me, please. Allow me to introduce myself. Nashatanya Lue Piana Agustra, the Crown Princess of Piana, and the current generation Saint of Blades. And like you, I am chosen as one of the 6 Braves.
Well, I'm Adlet Meyer, Princess. Strongest man in the world.
Impossible!
Well then... going, I shall accompany you. Our time is limited.
Okay.
Goodbye. This way.
Oh, you're well prepared, aren't you?
Yes.
Princess! You haven't had your audience with His Highness!
Or set up the embarkation!
Princess!
Good horses!
They couldn't catch us, not even if they tried. Shall we head west?
First, we should head to my hideout. Then we need to go to Gwenbyre, the country of Iron Hills. The peninsula at its far end is...
The land of howling demons.
The rule is that those chosen as the Six Braves gather at the entrance to the land of howling demons.
And that's where we'll meet them.
Yeah, I can hardly wait. This is gonna be great.
Yes.
砂時計に隠された花びらこの手に私たちは時の空出会えてしまうの目覚めしに思いたがたる胸にその答え探すため見果てぬ大地へもしも残酷でも燃ゆる情熱に空焦がす赤く青く揺らめく Secret
Next time, first journey.